channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, then you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? Thank you for coming back. Okay, so today we are doing one of the sort of like, I don't even know if it's a wig 101 or wig tips, but I'm just going to tell you why I review all types of wigs. I never thought I'd have to do these types of videos, but these types of videos are necessary and they're also very popular on my channel. But people often comment about the types of wigs that I review, the colors. It's usually surrounding the first reason why I review all types of wigs is my race. I am biracial. I am Polish and black. This is a multicultural channel because I'm multicultural. If you're biracial, and I have a lovely set of subscribers who are biracial, unless you're biracial, you don't really get it. But we are stuck between two races. I am both races, so I can go either way, hence biracial. Okay, I was raised by my white family, so yes. Am I lighter skinned? Yes, but that doesn't make me less black or less white or more black or more white. I think I'm rambling.
Stop it. Get some help.
But anyway, so I really wanted to focus in on the multicultural channel. In general, being biracial is very interesting because I have 3 friends who we're all biracial. Our dads are all black, our moms are all white, and we look so different. It really is like just anything can happen, really.
Am I orange?
So my hair, though curly, is not very coarse. I have a friend who is darker than me, but she has straight hair. And then I have a friend who is my same, she's probably darker than me, but she has very, very coarse hair. So therefore, I review all kinds of wigs because there's all kinds of people out there with different types of hair color, different preferences. And so this is a multicultural channel. It will be a multicultural channel. Am I 100% black? No. Am I 100% white? No. And that's why this is a special place for those of you looking for either or a mix. What am I doing with my hands? I'm not sure. Anywho, number 2 is that people have different needs and wants. So I have wigs on here that are lace front. I have I have wigs on here that are lace parting, cosplay wigs, full cap wigs, a couple human hair wigs. I mean, I'm more of a synthetic wig reviewer. Everybody has different needs or wants. Everybody has something different that they're looking for. So maybe you aren't someone who is interested in a full cap wig. That's cool. But maybe there are people in here like me with alopecia or are here because they have some medical reason, such as cancer treatments or something like that, where they need a full cap wig. Okay, so I want to research. This is a channel for all of us. Okay, it's for all of us.
Okay, then what?
I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I feel like I'm voguing. What's happening? I have had wine. Anyway, I want to make sure that I'm reviewing a plethora of different types of wigs because, you know, people want to know. That's the point of being a wig reviewer. I'm not necessarily just buying wigs because I like them. I'm buying wigs so that I can help you decide if you like them. Number 3 is that people have different access to wigs and also different budgets. I have a lot of subscribers that are from either Canada or from the UK, and they do not have the same access to wigs as we do. So yes, I review a lot of wigs from Amazon. I review wigs that ship internationally. Are they going to be different types of wigs, different price points? Yes, but remember, not everybody is as blessed as we are in the US in terms of shipping and things like that. And so I want to make sure that I'm serving them as well and reviewing wigs that they have access to because, you know, that's what I'm here for. Number 4, sometimes I review older wigs. Sometimes I review wigs that are discontinued. And the reason I do that is because they're still available somewhere or people still have them. And maybe they weren't into wigs then and they are now. Or maybe they have it and they haven't ever used it because they didn't know how to make it work. And so the wigs are around. And so I want to make sure that I am reviewing wigs that people may have at home, how they can use them, how they can use them differently, how they can switch them up, you know, tone them up, make them look fabulous. I pride myself on being a wig coach, meaning that I try to educate as well as review. So that's on my agenda. And then number 5, it's my channel. I'm going to review what I want For the most part, if you're one of my subbies, you know if you request something, I try as hard as I can to do that. Want a specific wig reviewed, or if you want a specific type of video, you can also become one of my channel members, which is amazing. And then you'll be taking the reins as to particular wigs, particular wig reviews, and when I review them. I have been doing a lot of videos where I do wig hauls. So I hadn't shown the wigs that I was buying prior, but now I'm doing wig hauls so you can look and be like, hey, I want this wig sooner rather than later. Okay. I do pre-film, so a lot of the wigs that I am getting, I have probably had for a little bit. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But I do pre-film. I have at least usually about 30 videos that are up on YouTube and they're privated. They're ready to go at any given time. So you can always request and be like, hey, like this is Outrace Thora. Be like, hey, if Thora's not up, can you put her up? But this is my channel. I love doing this. This is a hobby for me. I do work full-time. I'm a full-time single mother, but I love doing this. I love educating. I love learning. I love sharing with you what I've learned. I love trying different things. I love experimenting so that you don't ruin your wig. And that's why I do this. So that's why I review all different types of wigs, all different colors, all different styles. And there you go. So if you have another topic along these lines that you would like me to discuss, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.